Split Excel worksheets from a workbook into separate Excel file named based on table of content. Say we have a Excel workbook and we have a different Excel sheets. We want to split all the sheets into a separate Excel file, but the name will be a table of content. For example, we have sheet 1, the name of the sheet should be table of contents. Sheet 2, the name will be pivot table. Sheet 3, name will be Jan 2024. So same way we want to split all the Excel sheets, but name will be a table of content. So let's see, we will do this automation through macro. Let's come to our folder. So we have here two things here. So we have a source folder where we have our file. Let's open the file. We want to split this Excel workbook. So we have a sheet 1, sheet 2 and up to sheet 8, and we have a table of contents for each sheet name, and we have another folder. Output split means our all the separate file will be saved here. Now all the files split it here. Now we will remove all the file from output folder, and now open the macro. Here we give source file path in cell C3 and output folder path in cell C4. Let's go to the folder. So this is our source file folder and this is our source file. Right click to get the path, copy as path, and again go to the folder to get the output folder path. Shift right click, copy as path, and paste in cell C4. And now run the macro.